there are people that this will be their first episode that they're listening to. They're trying to like think about how they want to start selling online, and they hear a replen. So give me a 30-second version of what the heck a replen is.
Yeah, so replen is short for replenishable product. And by replenishable, that means replenishable as a seller. So we can go out, we can buy this product, let's just say at Target, and we can buy it at Target, we can sell it to customers on Amazon, but we can do that consistently over and over again. So if we got coffee from Target, we can go get that coffee. We'll sell 4 of them in a month, and we'll go back and get 4 more of those for the next month, or 6 more of those for the next month. And so we've built a list of hundreds of those types of products that sell 4 times a month, or 50 times a month in some cases. And we go out and have shoppers that buy those products from the store shelves full price, and then we sell them to customers on Amazon.
You're talking about buying something that is on the regular retail shelf, not necessarily on sale. If it's on sale, that's an added bonus, but it's still profitable at that full retail level.
Absolutely. So that's the beauty of the model, right? Because we did the grind early on. We started in 2015. We did the clearance shopping. That was all we did for a couple of years, really. And then because of your group, Ryan, Amazon Legends, and Danny Stock, we were able to learn about replenishable products. And that was something that just completely changed our business model. And we were able to scale it from there. And so, yeah, we'll buy stuff, sometimes it's things like grocery products that, of course, you rebuy those over and over. But sometimes it's, things like kitchen towels that maybe you don't have to buy that same thing every time you go to the store. But it's still a replenishable product from our standpoint that we're going to go back and buy and sell to, you, Ryan, to Danny, to, anybody. But you aren't going, Ryan, and buying 10 of those every month, where you might go and get something from grocery the same time every month.
Yeah, exactly. And that's what allowed you, correct me if I'm wrong, to be able to have that stable foundation where you felt comfortable quitting your job.
Absolutely. Yeah. That's once we got to a certain point where we were making about half of my annual salary, that's when I quit my job, and we went and did that consistently and just blew it up from there. We started adding employees and obviously put way more time into it. And the replenishable products has made that sustainable and consistent.
Yeah.